In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Power Query to automate repetitive reports beyond pivots. Start by opening Excel from your Start menu or taskbar. On the Excel Start screen, click Blank Workbook. You should land on Sheet 1 of a new workbook with an empty grid ready to go. Now we're going to import the CSV using Power Query. Click the Data tab in the ribbon at the top of the screen. Over on the far left of the ribbon, in the Get and Transform Data group, click Get Data. In the dropdown that appears, hover over From File, then click From Text/CSV. The file picker opens, so browse to your Documents folder and double-click the sales file, which in this case is called salesdata.csv. A preview window appears, showing roughly the first 200 rows along with the detected file origin and delimiter. Down in the bottom right of that preview window, click Transform Data. The Power Query editor now opens in a separate window. You'll see a ribbon at the top, the data preview in the middle, and an applied steps pane on the right that already lists source, promoted headers, and change type. Next, we'll clean the data by removing columns and filtering out canceled orders. On the Home tab of the Power Query ribbon, click the Sales Rep column header, then hold Ctrl and click the Category column header so both columns are selected. Right-click either highlighted header and choose Remove Columns. Now click the filter arrow on the right side of the Status column header. In the Filter dropdown, uncheck Canceled so only completed stays checked, then click OK. Your preview now shows only completed orders, and the applied steps pane on the right is grown to include removed columns and filtered rows. These are the recorded transformations that will replay on every refresh. Now for the Beyond Pivots part. We're going to summarize using Group By. Still on the Home tab, click Group By in the Transform group. In the Group By dialog, click the Advanced Radio button at the top. This enables multiple aggregations in one step, which is more flexible than a standard pivot table. Leave the first grouping column set to Region. Under New Column Name, type the name for the first aggregation, which is Total Revenue. Set Operation to Sum and set Column to Revenue. Below that first row, click Add Aggregation. In the new second row, type the name for the second aggregation, which is Order Count, and set Operation to count rows. Click OK to apply. The preview now shows 4 rows, 1 per region, with total revenue and order count columns. This is the summary that rebuilds automatically every time new data arrives. If this helps, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Time to load the report into the workbook. On the Home tab at the Power Query ribbon, click the bottom half of the Close and Load Split button on the far left. From the drop-down, choose Close and Load to. In the Import Data dialog that opens, leave Table selected at the top. Then select Existing Worksheet and click cell A1 in the sheet behind the dialog so the reference reads equals $A$1. Click OK. The Power Query editor closes and you return to the worksheet, which now shows a formatted table with 4 regional summary rows. A Queries and Connections pane opens on the right listing your query. Finally, we'll enable auto refresh so the report updates whenever the file opens. In the Queries and Connections pane on the right-click the query, which is named Sales Data. From the Context menu, click Properties. The Query Properties dialog opens on the Usage tab by default. Check the box labeled Refresh Data when opening the file, then click OK. Your regional summary table updates on the spot. The total revenue and order count columns recalculate without you needing to reopen Power Query. And that's the whole automation. Every future month, you simply drop new rows into the CSV, click Refresh All, and the report is done. Your worksheet now shows a 4-row summary table, 1 row per region, with total revenue and order count columns, built entirely by Power Query from the raw CSV. The Queries and Connections pane on the right lists sales data as a loaded query, set to refresh on file open. When the CSV gets updated, the table rebuilds with a single click of Refresh All, with no re-editing, no new pivot table, and no manual cleanup.